Hello world, my name is Priyansu. I am from New Delhi, India. It is 13 September 2025 and 9:30 a.m. and this is my final project Qcommerce for Cs50 Sql. This is a super fast, optimized, production ready MySQL database to support quick commerce business models. So let's know about its structures, its features, and implementation of this database. Let's start with the features. Comprehensive coverage to track customers, employees, orders, warehouses, trips, etc. This way, you will get a 360-degree view of your business operations. Normalize address systems and other tables, creating an address hierarchy to avoid duplicate entries. Handle multiple types of customers. Strong relational design for data consistency. Logs every small details. Records financial data and handle accounting with business with accuracy. Modular built-in tables for good scalability. Pre-built views and indexes makes this database analytics ready. Mimics actual quick commerce systems but simplified for learning and demonstration purpose only. Now let's see what tables comes with this database. As you can see, we have tables related to customers, employees, addresses, warehouses, vehicles, vendors, etc. And here are some pre-built views which can give you some easy insights about your business. You don't have to write complex SQL query just to know simple business details. Now let's see the visual representation of this database, the schema. As you can see, this complex structure, which is not as complex as the real ones, every table is somehow connected to each other. Feel free to explore on your own. I'm not going into details for now, but if you have any questions about anything, you can connect with me. Now let's see the actual implementation of this database in SQL codes. So now let's see the actual implementation of this database in actual SQL codes. So this is my SQL workbench as you can see, and here we have some .sql files in front of you. So first one is the initial.sql or initialization.sql file. Here we have some codes for dropping database, creating new one, and use that. So if I run it, it will drop if any Qcommerce database exists and create new one and start using that. So if I refresh here, you can see it has created a Qcommerce database with no tables right now. Next, we have schema.sql file, which has all the implementation for tables that we just saw few seconds ago. As soon as it creates all the table, it will show us those tables. So let's create it. So now it has created all the tables that we are seeing here. Okay. Third, we have dummy value SQL, which has some dummy values for each table. So if I run it, it will put all these values in those tables. So let's run it. Next, we have the indexes.sql file, which has all the code for applying indexing to our database. So let's run it also. It will improve our tables performance. So next we have views, which has most of the business related questions implemented to reduce your efforts and make it easy to get insights. So let's run it also. Okay, so it has created all the views. So now that we are done with creating database, creating tables, providing dummy values, indexing and applying views. Okay, now test this database through some analytical questions. So here we have analysis.sql file. So if I open it, it has some questions are implemented beforehand. So first one is how many customers of each type do we have? So as you can see, here are some code. Select star from customer type summary, which is just a view. So if I run it, it will show me there are three types of customer category: ordinary, which is 50, gold, uh, which is 20 customers, and silver, which is 30 customers. Okay. So second one is which customer places the most order. This type of question business usually asks. So if I run this, customer ID 4, name Ananya Kumar has made total 4 orders. Okay. Also, if I want to know which city have the highest number of customer, if I run this code, it will show me. Okay, like this. If I want to see day-wise orders, I have to run this code. If I want to know about weekly wise, this will give me that insight too. Month wise, this will give me that insight too. Okay, so this way we have all the implementation of those views by which we can do regular analysis, get business insights, and all that. So that's it. This is all about my database so far. Feel free to explore on your own. Use my code. Also, I'm open for any kind of suggestion if you have, or mentorship if you want to give. So, thank you everyone. Thank you, Howard, for this wonderful program, especially David J. Malin, Carter Zenki, and everyone. Thank you so much. This was my CS50. Thank you.